God, this thing is a Right now, I'm about to drive the Porsche 911 Carrera S. This isn't any other ordinary Carrera S. This right over here is a TechArt body kit Porsche 911. So check this thing out. This is insane, this whole TechArt body kit, and I absolutely love this car. So I will be doing a more in-depth review of this car on my channel, but right now in today's video we are just gonna hit the road and enjoy this car and have some fun in it. Big shout out to my uncle for letting me drive his car and trusting me with it. So got the keys to this thing to enjoy it. We have it in our sport mode. We have our drive selector over here, so we're gonna just go all the way down like that, and we're gonna start off driving it in this, and then we will pop it into our manual mode and go from there. I'm gonna hit our manual button right over here, so we are in our manual mode and we can use our paddles, because I love using my paddle shifters when I'm able to. We're just gonna give it a go. Oh my God, it's so lightning quick, these shifts on the car. It sounds really good too. Oh my God, this thing is a freaking rocket ship. Holy crap. This thing moves. Wow, I am at a loss of words right now. I'm at a loss of words of how planted this car feels. It feels so well put together, this Porsche engineering. Into the boost fairly quickly, and the PDK is lightning fast. As you can see from those shifts, the PDK is so quickly. As soon as you breathe on this paddle, you're in the next gear. Put our foot down. That is insane. That is insane. So we got this nice little twist right up over here. So as you can see, we have the Mexican police right over here, so we unfortunately cannot hit it around this bend. So the Mexican police are watching over us.
10 seconds later.
So let's flick a few downshifts over here. So as you can see, it had to ramp into that boost right around 5,000 RPMs, I think. Yeah, right around 5,000 RPMs it hits that boost. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe for some more content. If you want to see some more content on this car, definitely do let me know down below in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel so I can get monetized. We're close to getting 1,000 subscribers. We'll be there very soon. So I really appreciate every single one of you guys, and then I can start paying hopefully through YouTube for all this gas that I'm burning in all these videos on these cars. So big shout out to my uncle for letting me drive his Porsche 911 Carrera S. This car is absurd. It is amazing. Great driver's car. If you guys have any questions, leave it down below in the comment section. Make sure you guys browse the channel for other content. I'll see all you guys in the next video. Peace.